Hey, Kamin, what's the matter?
I'm bored. I wish I had some more toys.
Be thankful for what you have, and be careful what you wish for.
Whatever. Where'd that come from? I wonder.
I am the genie of the lamp.
You look good like my dad.
No, I don't. I am the genie of the lamp.
Genie of the lamp?
Yes, genie of the lamp. I will grant you 3 wishes.
3 wishes?
Yeah, that's what I said. 3 wishes.
Wow.
But be warned. Be careful what you wish for.
Whatever. My first wish is 4 more toys.
Your wish is my command.
Wow. Wow, this is so great. Another one? Woohoo! Oh no, there's too many toys. Oh no, I'm very sorry. I take back my wish. Phew. Dad,
Yes?
could I have some candies?
No, eating too much candy can make you sick. It's not healthy for you. Besides, I'm about to cook dinner.
Whatever. I know.
Who's bothering me? Oh. I am the genie of the lamp. You have 2 wishes left.
I know my second wish.
But be warned. Be careful what you wish for.
Whatever. I wish 4 tons of candy.
Your wish is my command.
Oh my. Oh, too much candy does make me sick. I take back my wish. Phew. Dad,
What?
could I cook?
No, you're too young.
Could I cut the vegetables?
No, you're still too young. Maybe when you're older.
Who's bothering me again? Can't you see I'm shaving? Oh, it's you. I am the genie of the lamp. You have 1 wish left.
I'm ready for my third wish.
But be warned.
I know. Be careful what you wish for. I wish I was older.
Are you sure?
Yes, make me older.
Your wish is my command.
I'm real old. At least I can cook. back my wish.
I am the genie of the lamp. You have no wishes left.
I know, I wanted to say sorry. I should be happy with what I have. I learned my lesson.
Since you've learned your lesson, I have a special prize for you.